In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the email address for form submissions in Brix. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly update your email settings to ensure that your form submissions are going to the right place. Let's start by heading over to your Brix dashboard. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the section labeled Customer and Leads. This is where all your forms and submission settings are housed. Once you've clicked on Customer and Leads, you'll see an option named Forms and Submissions. Go ahead and select that option. This area displays all the forms you have set up, and this is where you'll make the necessary adjustments. Now, locate the specific form whose submission email address you wish to edit. Once you find that form, you'll see 3 horizontal dots next to it. These dots typically indicate additional options or settings. Click on those dots and select Form Notifications from the drop-down menu that appears. This will lead you to the notifications and automation settings for your form. Next, you're going to look for an option that reads New Submission Received for my form. This indicates the initial settings currently in place for handling new form submissions. You'll want to click the Edit button associated with this option. Once you're in the Edit section, scroll down to the bottom until you see an Action drop-down menu. This menu is where you can set and adjust the recipients who will receive the form submissions. Within the Action drop-down, you'll notice a Set Recipients option. Select this, and when you do, a new window will appear, giving you the ability to manage who receives your form submissions. Here, you can choose to add email addresses in several different ways, whether that's from trigger contacts, your collaborators, specific roles you've defined, or even other recipients you decide on. Once you've entered the new email addresses or made any necessary changes to the current ones, be sure to hit Apply. This crucial step will ensure that all your changes are saved and effective immediately. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step process on how to edit the email addresses for your Brix form submissions. It's important to keep these details up to date to ensure smooth communication and response times. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment if you have any questions or need further clarification, and subscribe for more insightful tips and tutorials.